Hi, welcome to the lecture 2 of this section. At this lecture, we will discuss all about what do businesses needs from Facebook. So let's continue with the Facebook marketing psychology, and let's start with this lecture. Here we see the business needs from Facebook. Exactly revenues, sales, income, and leads. So those are four needs for business from Facebook. Here you see that revenues, sales, income, and leads. Let's discuss more about how to become successful with the business by using Facebook. So that's will be discussed exactly on some on custom sections with this course. See you. Goodbye.